Requesting footage from the Traknova platform is easy. Start by heading to the Dash Cameras page. Here you'll see every camera in your fleet, each one showing you its most recent view, so you can tell at a glance what each camera last saw and whether it's online. Click into a camera to open it up. Throughout the day, your camera captures snapshots of what it's seeing, and we lay them out on a timeline so you can keep track of the driver and where the vehicle has been. Navigate through the day to see exactly when certain events happened, then use the green markers to spot where footage is available to pull. When you land on a moment you want to see in full, click the green Request Footage button in the bottom right. That opens a short form, already filled in for you. It sets the start and end time to a 2-minute window around the moment you picked on the timeline, so most of the time you've got nothing to change. Tweak the times if you need a wider or tighter clip, up to 10 minutes long. Then pick which channels you want, add a quick reason for the request, and hit Submit. From here you'll be taken through the retrieval step by step. Your footage lives on the camera's SD card, not in the cloud, so the vehicle has to be switched on for the camera to connect and send the video across. There are only 2 things you need to do. First, confirm your request. Then let the driver know to start the vehicle and keep it running. After that, the rest happens on its own. There's a short wait while the camera comes online and the footage is located, then the transfer begins. Once the camera connects, your footage starts coming through to the Traknova platform and you can watch it in real time. Keep the vehicle running while this happens. As soon as the transfer is complete, the driver is free to switch off, and your clip is processed into a downloadable video. When it's ready, your footage is there to play back, review and download as an MP4, whenever you need it.